Realme unveiled the GT 7 Pro in China last November, which was launched in India later as the country's first Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered smartphone. Realme upcoming GT 8 Pro into the premium smartphone category, according to a recent leak as per Tipster digital chat station. There is a possibility that the GT 8 Pro could be launched at 3,999 yuan for the base variant. The Realme GT 8 Pro may sport a flat OLED display with 2K resolution and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner embedded under the screen. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, the next-gen flagship chipset from Qualcomm. It is likely to ship with the Realme UI 7-based Android 16. One of the most striking upgrades could be in the camera department, with a 200-megapixel periscope lens likely to feature in the setup. Battery capacity might reach 7,000 mAh, supported by 100W fast charging. It is expected to launch in the last quarter of 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.